Toxins, demons within. A step ahead in journey to be Atmanirbhar. You must be surprised to read such a title where I am comparing toxins to demons. If you remember all our mythological stories, demons are the evil that tries to destroy good. Similarly, toxins are those demons in our body which destroys healthy cells and makes us diseased. It's my endeavor to make understand toxins and its effect on your body in a very simple layman's language. The purpose of this blog is to make readers understand the effect of toxins and prevention methods which they can include in daily life. In naturopathy, the root cause of diseases is toxins. When the toxins start depositing in our body, one becomes sick and diseased. And to achieve azadi from those diseases, the best method is to remove these toxins. Let's understand what these toxins are and how they enter our body. Toxins are those poisonous substances which are of no use for our body. These toxins can be microorganisms like bacteria, protozoa, fungus, virus, etc. During the metabolic process in our body, many unwanted substances are generated. These metabolic waste products are excreted out through our urine, stool and sweat. How does toxins enter our body? Toxins can primarily enter our body through the food we eat, through the air we breathe and through our skin when we come in contact with them. What happens when these toxins enters in our body? Our body has its own immune system. When some unwanted foreign particles enter our body, our immune system activates and starts fighting them and throw them out of our body. Let's understand with some example. When some microorganism enter our body through our nose and enters our respiratory system, our body starts fighting it from within. Mucus is secreted from the mucous membrane and those harmful organisms are trapped in it. Now can you relate why we develop cough? Yes, it's our body's way of throwing the toxins out of our body through mucus. How do these toxins deposit in our body? Our body has a well-organized excretory system. Through intestines, all the unwanted waste is excreted. Through kidney, all our liquid waste is excreted in form of urine. Through sweat, unwanted material is excreted by skin. This way, our body makes sure to throw all the waste and unwanted material out on a regular basis. So you must be thinking that if our body has these systems in place, then what causes deposition of toxins? Well, when our body organs are overloaded with toxins and when we have irregular and sedentary lifestyle, our excretory systems are overloaded. When we overload our system, they fail to excrete unwanted material completely out of our body, due to which toxins start to deposit. Let's understand with an example. When toxins deposit in intestines, they get absorbed in our blood. Blood takes these toxins in all parts of our body. These toxins make job of liver difficult as it has to work harder to filter them. When these toxins go to kidney, they overload it and this way our whole system gets affected. This may cause diseases related to different organs. Organs don't function properly due to overload and toxin deposits, and this way toxins cause damage to good cells of our body. Now that we have understood how, like demons, these toxins destroy our healthy body functioning, let's look at few ways for preventing these toxins to deposit in our body. The best practice to prevent these toxins to enter and deposit in our body are: have a regular lifestyle, take good sleep, eat clean, organic, nutritious food, stay hydrated, exercise your mind and body regularly, do pranayam, soak some sunlight, meditate, practice mindfulness, practice gratitude. Make sure to give 10 minutes to reflect on your day if you followed these practices mentioned above. These are few things that one can include in life. Practicing these with discipline will surely help you prevent the toxins, the demons in your body. Like we feel a need to deep clean our house every once in a while, we must similarly get our body detoxified with the help of naturopath and a panchakarma expert. Let's get azadi from diseases and take a step ahead in the journey to be Atmanirbhar for our health. Do contact me for any further information or personal consultancy at poonam@theetherwellness.com. Thank you.